Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that the current market price of gold is 1774. Market is trading here, and sadly gold is still trading in the middle. There is no major movement on the chart of gold US dollar, and as I have already mentioned in my previous videos that this is an important level in the market and this is an important level in the market. And as I always say, be a trader, do not be a gambler, because see, if you trade in the middle, then you mostly you act like a gambler. Okay, so the best opportunity to trade on the chart of gold USD is either at this level or at this level. Okay, so let's understand the chart of gold USD and what are the changes that we have observed on the chart of US dollar as well. So first of all, I would like to talk about the chart of DXY US dollar here, and we can see that there has been some selling on the chart of US dollar, and right now US dollar has entered the support zone. Yes, it has entered the support zone of 93.80 to 93.60, and moreover it is also taking support at this trend line. If you observe the trend line, then to be honest, this trend line is not a very strong support, but still along with the level of 93.80, this is kind of providing double support to the market. Yes, this is a double support to the market. So as a result, you can see that market is trying to bounce from this current market level. So there is a possibility of market, okay, listen to me carefully, there is a possibility of DXY bouncing from here, or in case it comes down also, it has a good support zone at this level. So until and unless US dollar DXY crosses 93.60 level, still it has a good possibility of reversal or going up. And if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here, if we just observe or focus this particular portion of the chart here, we can see that market is sideways. Therefore, there is a good possibility of reversal. And as we all know, if dollar starts going up, there is a good possibility of gold going down, because in general we see that when dollar goes up, price of gold goes down, and when dollar goes down, the price of gold goes up. So if US dollar takes support here and bounces, then definitely we will see some selling on the gold as well. And on the other hand, if it breaks the level, okay, if it breaks the level of 93.60, I'm talking about US dollar, then we will see some good buying on gold. Okay, so this is the present scenario on US dollar. It has a good chance of reversal or bounce from this current market price. So, and this is the chart of gold here. So what should be a trading strategy then? See, yesterday only I have clearly mentioned that you should not be trading in the middle, because see, if you trade here, if you go for a buy here, then see again your risk to reward is not good, and if you sell also, then also your risk to reward ratio is not in your favor, and moreover there is no proper logic also to place the buy or sell order. See, if you are very much adamant that I want to buy gold right now, I want to sell gold right now, then obviously you are acting as a gambler. Because see, because most of the most common question that I face is that what I should do right now, buy or sell. Okay, so this should not be the question, because see, because if you want to be a trader, then you'll have to wait for the perfect timing. You will have to wait for the right time, right opportunity. But if you out of your greed for money, if you buy and sell anywhere, then obviously you are not a trader. So please forgive me for my bad words, okay, for discouraging you, but I am just here to save your hard-earned money. I am just trying to protect your hard-earned money, so that you all do not lose your hard-earned money by taking impulsive trades. Okay, so my dear friend, do not do anything right now. Let the gold go up. If it reverses from the 1780 level, you can take a sell order. And on the other hand, If it comes down, and bounces from the trend line, okay, honestly speaking, I'm not very much confident about the trend line, okay, but if it bounces from the trend line, then also you can think of taking a buy order. But to be honest, the only two safest trading opportunities on this chart is selling or going for a sell if market reverses from the resistance zone of 1780 to 1790, this zone, and you can go for a buy if market bounces from this particular level. Yesterday I have discussed 6 trading possibilities on the chart of gold. If you want to know about the possibilities, all the possibilities and opportunities, please watch the video that I have uploaded yesterday. So this is it. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.